A Sydney court has been inundated with people charged with drug offences at a music festival. Around 160 people were pulled aside by police with sniffer dogs at Stereosonic in Olympic Park 6 weeks ago. For many, it was their first time in court, and those with small amounts of drugs escaped a conviction.
Burwood is known as one of Sydney's busiest courts, but they haven't seen anything like today. The queue that snaked out the door had swelled because of this event. Stereosonic Sydney was billed as the largest dance music festival in the country. Just like at every other event of its kind, police sniffer dogs were there to greet the crowd. It resulted in charges against 160 people, mainly caught with ecstasy, but also amphetamines, cannabis and cocaine. So big was the influx, the magistrate lined them up in groups according to seriousness. She said, "All of you took a chance. I am not going to get caught. That's what everyone thinks." Those found with small amounts of drugs without prior convictions received 6-month good behaviour bonds. Magistrate Margaret Quinn told them this is the only opportunity you'll get. It's not uncommon for music festival goers to use drugs. Big Day Out revellers are surveyed every year by Melbourne's Burnett Institute.
We find that between 25 and 30% of our participants report the use of illicit drugs in the last month.
He says an emerging issue is pharmaceutical drug use. Roger Dive sits at the other end of the criminal justice system. The senior judge of the drug court works on diverting those with a drug dependency into treatment programs.
There is a large group of people who have just gone round and round committing crimes, going to jail, coming out, and perhaps coming out poorer than they were when they went in.
He says the strategy is successful and much less expensive than prison. Karl Hoerr, ABC News.